Inshallah, we're gonna open it up, see what we got, and then go from there. Some boxes in the middle. If you can't tell yet what it is, it's bed cover for pickup truck. I'll take it apart and see all the hardware that comes with it and everything else. And I clean the bed a little bit before I put it on, so it'll be easier to do it while it's off. Yeah, so take everything out and then start installing it. Alright, so after checking everything out, it's the hardware to hold down the pieces right here on both sides. So it should be 3 per side, and then 3 over there, and then it came with this foam right here. It's supposed to be in the back of the tailgate from left to right. Try to put that and cut it to size. And then I think after that, it should be like some corner pieces, but I don't think I've seen it unless that's for a different style truck. But right now I'm gonna throw it on time lapse and then just get these on real quick and then go from there. So got all 3 installed on each side. I pushed this all the way to the edge. Not sure if the cover is as wide as that is, but I don't have it completely tied down yet. So just in case this is too far out that way, then I can push it back in and line it up with the inside edge of the bed. But let me go grab the cover and then see how it fits. And I still didn't put the foam yet because I want to see how far it covers it, so I know exactly where to put it. So I got it all installed on there, put together as it should be. Doesn't look bad at all. I think it makes the truck look a little bit cleaner. Plus, whenever I'm carrying anything back there, I don't need to get wet. And it'll be safe and secure in there. There's one more thing we gotta also do, with just a little overall look what the truck looks like right now. Another thing I did off camera was that junkyard bumper I got, how bad the plastic trim was. I got another bumper, but it wasn't exactly the same. It was a shorter bumper that it was like a 2-piece. Came up to like right there, and then you had to buy this part. But I couldn't find it in chrome, so I ended up just taking the trim plastic and putting it on this one, so it looks a lot cleaner. But still, if I come across another bumper that doesn't have all these little minor stuff on it, I'm gonna get that. But there's one thing left to do with this right now. So I also picked this up, which is the 3rd brake light. But this one should be smoke lens. So I bought it because to me it looks nicer, and I think one of the bulbs was out on the factory one anyway, so we kind of have the black and white look going on. So this is gonna replace that up there, right there. So yeah, it should be just 2 screws right there, on each side, and plug and play and throw it in there. So let's do that real quick. So here's a before and after right there. That's for the ad. I'll point out that this was going in now. So I think give it a clean up. So we got one more thing to do, which is replace this tall antenna right here for something different. So I picked up this little kit, bullet style with the flag on it. So throw that on real quick, and yeah. So I got the little adapter on there. I'm gonna throw this little carbon fiber cover on it too, just to give it, you know what I mean, make it look a little bit better. Hopefully it stays there. But yeah, let's grab that antenna real quick. I need to sit right there, but I have to probably put a washer on the bottom or something to get it to sit that way. Yeah, let's see if we can add this to it. Yeah, it should be good right there. Yep, on to the next one. Alright, so that's how everything turned out. And that might be one of the last mods I'll do for the truck. The only other thing I might do is the tail light. Maybe go to different style one or just a smoke one, so it kind of matches the theme of the truck. So kind of the black and white look, so match the front also. But yeah, so all right, well, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next one.